Hey, Sam here. Let's talk about Synthesys Visual. Just a few seconds to check my huge list of high-quality bonuses included in this software. Let's agree on one thing. The right image has the power to drive targeted traffic and sales. Synthesys Visual is a text-to-image platform that creates unlimited stock images and art based on the text that was used. You can create unlimited variations, remove image background, use the face enhancement, the face swap integration, remove any object from generated photos, improve the image quality, use in-painting and out-painting effects, and much more. You can use any language as a prompt. Synthesys Visual lets you create unique images in 3 steps. Step number 1. Generate images. Let's start by entering a description. You can choose a style. You can generate a photo, a painting, cyberpunk style image, and much more. You can also use the prompt generator. This is basically a form that you can fill out to generate a unique image. Step number 2. Customize. You can change the image resolution and you can enhance the face. You can also upload your images to generate a variation. You can draw a sketch and the app will generate images based on your sketch. Choose the image you like and customize with the upscale feature. Step number 3. Download. You can download the images and save to your gallery. You can create unlimited variations, create unique images for your clients, and sell the images you create. Prices and OTOs included in this software.
Hey Synthesis community, Rachel here. This video is going to be all about Synthesis Visual, so let's get started. Once you log into your account, you click on Synthesis Visual and it will bring you to the Synthesis Visual dashboard, which looks like this. As you can see here, there is a main description bar, and this is where you type in the prompts that will generate your images. So prompts are like words and texts used to describe an image. Now on the left side of the bar, you'll see a drop-down menu, and in it are default style settings. And they're basically themes that influence the image generation based on the ones you choose. For example, if I select cyberpunk, then the images that will be generated will have a cyberpunk related style. Now, moving on to the right of the description bar, you'll see a wand, and that is a prompt generator. Now, if I click on that, you'll see here it says prompt generator. And what this is basically like a form that you fill out or that you choose from. And there are many options here. So let's say the image is a dog. So you type in dog here. And then artist. So you want your image to look like Frida Kahlo's work. You want it to look like Andy Warhol's work. Do you want it to look like Salvador Dali's work? So you click that. Art style, same. You choose from all the options here. Let's say I want Art Nouveau. If you want illustration as well, you select that here. Let's go with digital painting, lighting, the kind of lighting that you want, abstract, dramatic, hard lighting. Let's go with high contrast. And camera settings. So this will be more familiar if you're a photographer I'm not, so I don't know much about this. So let's just go with Fish Islands. And then after that, you select use this. And then once you're done with that, you visualize. And let's see what the AI will come up with. So this wand will help you generate amazing images way easier and way faster than if you had to think of prompts yourself. But yeah, it's up to you. You can either work using the prompt generator or you can come up with your own prompts. Okay, so here we are. This is what the AI came up with using our prompt generator here. As you can see, these are 4 stunning images. Yeah. So moving on from the prompts, we also have 2 options here, and one is image resolution and the other one is enhance. So image resolution is basically, like it says, the width and height of generated image. So let's say I want a square image, you'll get a square image that's this, horizontal here and vertical here, so you select that. And then right next to it is enhance face. So what this does is if you have a photo with, let's say, faces in it, faces of people, it smooths out the facial characteristics of those faces. What I should mention with enhanced face is that the AI might take a little longer to generate the image, so please be patient with that. And last, you have this little cloud here. And what this is you can upload your own image to generate variations of that image. So let's say we have this image of a girl doing yoga. You put that in there. And then in the prompts, you type girl doing yoga, and then you'll see variations of that original image here. And then last, we have draw and sketch. So if I click on that, this will pop up. And in the space here, you can basically draw anything you want. So you have pencil, eraser, circle, square, line. Let's go with pencil and maybe a different color here. Let's go with this red. So I will start to draw, let's say, a house. Oops. That doesn't look like a house, does it? Well, let's say that it is a house. Here are the little windows. And then I also want a tree. So let's go with that. Let's say that this is a tree. Oops. Yeah, I'm not an artist, so please don't judge. Okay, let's say this is the image. So we click use this image. Oh, let me also mention that there's background. You can change the color of the background here. Let's say I wanted this color. And then use this image. And then here in the prompts, I will type in house with tree next to it. Or house in the woods. Let's go with house in the woods. And then click visualize. And so what the AI will do is generate images based on the sketch. Okay, so this is what they came up with. Some of these are actually really interesting. I like this one here. It's really cute. Yeah, and that's what you can do with Sketch. Okay, so now that we've covered the basics, let's try another example. Okay, so let's say I was looking for portrait photos of a young woman. I will type the prompt here. So I've already filled that in there. So the prompt that I'm going to use is young Spanish model in the style of Peter Lindbergh. Love his work. Deep stare, tan skin, light makeup, shining. Okay, so in this case, I will not use the prompt generator. These are the ones that I came up with on my own. So I will not use this wand, and I'll go ahead and I will visualize, and I will wait for the AI to create the images. Okay, so these are the images that the AI generated. I am loving this one. So if I click on this image, it'll pop up. And at the bottom, we have three options: upscale, download image, and save to gallery. What upscale does is it basically doubles the resolution of the image. Download image does exactly what it says, and save to gallery saves your image to your gallery. So let me show you what that is. So let's say I save this to the gallery. And now I will find it here, Synthesys Visual Gallery. And I'll find it there. So let's go back here. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, oh, these ones are even better. These are actually stunning images, stunning portrait images. And yeah, so another thing I would like to mention is that you also have three options here. So if we hover, you see download image, create variation, and save to gallery. So you can also save to gallery from here. You just click that and it says image, save to your gallery. I love all these, so I'm just gonna go ahead and save them all. And then right next to save to gallery, you have create image variation. So what this does, if you click on it, it puts the picture right here, and then if you visualize, it creates variations based on this image. So, and then there is also download image and does exactly what it says. So let's say I want a variation of this image because I love this image here. So let me just click on that, create variations, visualize, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so here you see there are variations of the original image. So yeah, that was our create variation feature here. So that basically sums up the basics of Synthesys Visual. And if you want to get more into detail about each feature, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.